Yeah, you can't believe what I saw today. A truck overloaded, struggling to bypass a communication line. It was so bad. See, as if our weighing authorities are not doing their job, frankly speaking, because a car cannot overload like this and be on our road. And even this section of the road, they have boldly written at a certain part of the road that heavy duty cars are not to use it. But look at what I'm seeing. They have a stick in their car that they used to lift where they get to, and there's a rope they have to use to lift the rope to so that they can pass. Look at this. This is how we have to be doing things in this country. No, this is not fair. Look, 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 look. The mate is using the stick to lift the rope so that the car can pass. Why? Why? Where are our authorities? Overloading is destroying our roads. A long truck, fully loaded. This one, I am sure it has exceeded the loading limit. It has exceeded. Look at what they are towing. Come on. This is very dangerous. This is dangerous. How long will we keep on looking at this to happen? This is not fair. And whoever have to be in charge, monitoring these people have to be up and doing. This is not the best way we have to go. No, this is not the best way we have to go. It's quite unfortunate that this is happening on our major roads. Just look how many minutes you have spent some quite number of minutes here just trying to lift a rope and pass by. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, come on. Come on. Who did this to us? Why are we struggling like this? People have to work. This is purely overloaded car. And anywhere where laws are working, this car will be impounded or fined.